Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a quick Louis Vuitton unboxing that I'd like to share with you guys. I had mentioned in my what I got for Christmas video that I was still waiting on one Louis Vuitton piece that I had ordered from the Louis Vuitton website, and it just arrived. This is a true unboxing. All I did was open the box so that my address wasn't showing, so I'm gonna get right into it. So here is the box and the receipt. Okay, so it still has the Christmas packaging, which is nice. So I had been stalking the website for a few days looking for this particular item, and it came back into stock just right at the right moment when I was checking, so I was really lucky because it had been sold out for a while. So here is the dust bag to reveal. Here is the Christmas animation Vivian collection, and this is the one in she's in the little ski lift in the French Alps, and it is the Victorine wallet. So let's just take a look here. So I am seeing this for the first time. So the Victorine wallet is a style I used to have in the Epi tropical leather, and I ended up selling it. But ever since then, I have missed having this style in my collection, and I was just kind of waiting for the right one to come along, and I just really thought this one was super cute, and I like how it doesn't have the button here, so the button won't get worn. Let's open it up, and it's a really pretty pop of bright pink. So this one was made in Italy, and yeah, I just love this style. It's such a functional wallet. It has the 6 card slots here. It's got more space here and here. It's got a bill compartment so you don't have to fold your bills. It's got a coin compartment here. And here is the tag information I will show you. So that is the code for this one. So I'm gonna have a look at it once I am not filming, just to make sure that everything looks good. But yeah, I just wanted to share this piece because I was really excited to get it. I had mentioned to my essay that I was looking for this particular one, but it didn't seem to come in at my local Louis Vuitton, so I was really happy to have found it on the website. So yeah, if you're looking for a piece on the website, they still do pop up from the Christmas animation collection. They still do pop up every now and then, so just keep checking. Yeah, so that is my latest addition to my little collection. I already showed you guys the mini pochette and the zippy coin purse that I got from the Christmas animation line this year, and yeah, it's just so cute. I really love all of the pieces. So anyway, I'm gonna keep this short. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.